Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn classification of retaining walls. We will discuss this classification according to material of construction, according to retained material, that is the material which has to be retained by the retaining wall. And the third type of classification is according to shape of the retaining wall, and fourth type is according to design of the retaining wall. So basically there are 13 types of retaining walls that we are going to discuss in this video. So let's start our today's topic. First one is according to material of construction. Second one is according to retained material. Third one is according to shape, and fourth one is according to design. As these are few pictures to illustrate different types of retaining walls, which could be of PCC, stone masonry, or brick masonry, or then there are different types in stone masonry, rubble masonry, ester masonry, different types, etc. So the classifications, as you can see over here, this is also made up of concrete, this is also made up of concrete, and will be these four types will be discussed in detail. So first one is according to material of construction. First one is earthen retaining wall, or you can say the wall is hollow from inside and layer by layer it is filled and to reach the desired level. So the inner material or the filling material within the hollow shape of the wall is soil. Okay, this is the best example of earthen retaining wall. Within these two walls, which you can see over here in gray color, this is the precast panels. Okay, these are actually precast panels in which earth is filled or soil is filled to reach the desired level. The second type is masonry retaining wall, the wall which is uh, made up by the art of masonry, and masonry unit could be stone, blocks, you can say bricks, etc. And rock fill retaining wall, similar as that of earthen retaining wall, the inside of a hollow retaining wall is filled with rocks. Such type of wall is called as rock fill retaining wall. It could be PCC retaining wall, the wall made up of plain cement concrete, and there could be RCC retaining wall, the wall made up of reinforced cement concrete, as you can see over here in this picture. So these are classification according to material of construction. Now if we talk about according to retained material, first one is revetment wall. Revetment wall can be for any material to retain the purpose of revetment wall is to retain any material except water. And when we talk about water, and the wall constructed for retaining the water behind it is called as dam. So this is also a type of retaining wall. Okay, if we talk about shape, if we classify the retaining walls according to shape, the first one is triangular retaining wall, and it has a shape of triangle. Similarly, as you can see over here, this is the shape of triangle. And similarly rectangular triangle, you can say rectangular retaining wall. Rectangular retaining wall is in the shape of a rectangle, as you can see over here, in the shape of rectangle. Okay, as you can see over here in this picture. And the third one is trapezoidal retaining wall. Trapezoidal retaining wall be of this shape. As you normally see, the retaining walls are made up in this design because this is most stable, and it is also called as gravity wall. So this shape is called as trapezoidal shape wall. So these classifications are according to shape of the retaining wall. And according to design, first wall is called as gravity retaining wall, and the shape of gravity retaining wall is as you can see over here in this picture. And then comes the cantilever retaining wall, which has a reinforcement installed in footing and in the wall. You can say the erected part of the wall, it includes reinforcement, and it is also called as cantilever retaining wall. And the third one is counterfort retaining wall, as you can see over here in this picture. And this portion of a wall is called as counterfort, or you can say butters. Okay, These were the few classifications of retaining walls according to material, according to retained material, according to shape, and according to design. That's all for today. If you want to learn the subtypes of these and according to design of retaining walls, let me know in the comments. I will make a detailed video on that topic as well. In the end, you are requested, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get video updates.